Welcome to NeoTech-Lens, your ultimate destination for the latest updates on cutting-edge technology, AI innovations, futuristic gadgets, and everything shaping the tech-driven world. Stay ahead of the curve with insightful content, breaking tech news, and in-depth discussions on how technology impacts our daily lives. Join us to explore the future, one lens at a time.
Yo, what's up everybody, it's NeoTech, and the AI game just got a whole lot more interesting. We've got a new player on the field straight out of Shenzhen, Tencent's T1. This isn't just another AI model. We're talking blazing fast speeds, next-level reasoning, and architecture so advanced, it's got OpenAI and DeepSeek looking over their shoulders. Tencent's T1 might just be the breakthrough we've been waiting for. It's bringing the heat with a hybrid design that's all about efficiency and power. Could this be the tech that solidifies China as the global AI leader? Stick around as we break down everything you need to know about Tencent's T1 right after this. Alright, so let's get right into it. What exactly is Tencent's T1? In a nutshell, it's the brainchild of Tencent, the Chinese tech giant you probably know from WeChat, League of Legends, and a ton of other platforms. Now, T1 isn't just another AI model jumping on the Transformer bandwagon, it's got this whole hybrid thing going on. We're talking Hybrid-Transformer-Mamba architecture. Yeah, I know it sounds complicated, but trust me, it's actually pretty genius. Traditional transformer models, while powerful, tend to be resource hogs. They gobble up memory and struggle with really long chunks of information. That's where Mamba comes in. Think of Mamba as this specialized layer within T1 that's designed to process and remember vast amounts of data without breaking a sweat. So, what does this mean in the real world? T1 can understand and respond to complex queries with incredible accuracy and speed. We're talking about next-level chatbots, AI assistants that actually get you, and applications in fields like scientific research that could change the game entirely. Tencent has managed to create an AI that's not only powerful but also incredibly lean. It uses resources wisely, meaning it can be deployed in a wider range of devices and applications without needing a server farm the size of a small city. Okay, so we know T1 is packing some serious heat, but how does it actually stack up against the heavyweights in the AI arena? You know, I'm talking about OpenAI's O1 and DeepSeek's R1. Well, from the benchmarks we've seen so far, it's clear that Tencent came to play. First off, speed. In a head-to-head, T1 consistently delivers faster responses than both O1 and R1. And I'm not talking milliseconds here. I'm talking noticeable, real-world differences that could make or break user experiences. But it's not just about speed. Remember that Hybrid-Transformer-Mamba architecture we talked about? Yeah, that's really shining through when it comes to efficiency. T1 sips power compared to the competition, making it a much more attractive option for applications where resources are limited. And then there's the brain power. When it comes to logical problem solving, complex math, and anything science-related, T1 is consistently outperforming the competition. We're talking about acing tests like the AI-Me, which is basically the SAT on steroids, and crushing it on the C-Eval, a benchmark specifically for Chinese language AI. But here's the real kicker: memory. T1's optimized architecture means it can handle massive data sets and complex tasks without needing a ridiculous amount of RAM. This is huge for scalability, making it easier for businesses and developers to integrate T1 into their workflows. T1 has shown significantly fewer hallucinations than R1, especially when it comes to coding and technical tasks. So, we've talked about speed, efficiency, and even a little bit about intelligence. But let's get down to the nitty-gritty. How does T1 actually perform in the real world? Well, thankfully, we don't have to guess because Tencent has put T1 through its paces on some of the toughest AI benchmarks out there, and the results, well, they're impressive. For example, let's talk about MMLU Pro. This benchmark is all about testing an AI's ability to understand and reason across a wide range of topics. Think of it like the ultimate trivia night for AI, but way more intense. And guess what? T1 absolutely crushed it. It scored significantly higher than previous models, demonstrating its ability to handle complex reasoning tasks with ease. Then there's AI-Me, the American Invitational Mathematics exam. This isn't your high school algebra, folks. We're talking next-level problem solving that would make even seasoned mathematicians sweat. And once again, T1 rose to the challenge, showcasing its prowess in mathematical reasoning and problem solving. And we can't forget about the C-Eval, a comprehensive benchmark designed specifically for Chinese language AI. This is a big deal because it shows that T1 isn't just a one-trick pony. It can handle the nuances of different languages and cultural contexts, which is essential for global applications. Tencent has also pitted T1 against the competition in coding challenges, and the results have been nothing short of remarkable. Alright, so we've seen the benchmarks, we've seen the comparisons, but what's the secret sauce that makes Tencent's T1 so special? Well, as we touched on earlier, it all comes down to the architecture. See, most AI models these days are built on something called transformers. And while transformers are incredibly powerful, they have their limitations, especially when it comes to memory usage and handling long sequences of information. That's where Tencent's Hybrid-Transformer-Mamba design comes in. It's like taking the best aspects of transformer models and supercharging them with a shot of Mamba magic. So how does it work? Well, imagine this. You have a traditional transformer model, which is great at understanding relationships between words and concepts. But then you add in these specialized Mamba layers that act like a high-speed memory bank. These Mamba layers allow T1 to process and retain much longer sequences of information without getting bogged down. It's like giving the AI a photographic memory, allowing it to remember every detail of a conversation or every line of code in a program. Tencent has also incorporated some really clever techniques to optimize the way T1 learns and adapts. They're using something called reinforcement learning, which is essentially training the AI through trial and error. Every time T1 makes a good decision or provides an accurate response, it gets rewarded. This combination of innovative architecture and cutting-edge training techniques is what sets T1 apart from the competition. Now let's zoom out for a second and talk about the bigger picture. Tencent's T1 isn't just a cool piece of tech, it's a major power play in the global AI race. See, China has been making some serious moves in the tech world lately. They've been investing heavily in AI research, semiconductor development, and next-generation computing infrastructure. And T1 is a prime example of their ambition. It's a clear signal to the rest of the world that China is not content with just being a consumer of technology anymore. They want to be the innovators, the leaders, the ones setting the pace for the future. With T1, Tencent is directly challenging the dominance of OpenAI and Google DeepMind. They're showing the world that China has the talent, the resources, and the determination to compete and win in the AI arena. China sees AI as a key driver of economic growth and technological advancement. They're betting big on AI to revolutionize industries like healthcare, manufacturing, and transportation. Tencent is making T1 available at a price point that's significantly lower than the competition. By making advanced AI technology more affordable, Tencent is democratizing access to this powerful tool, potentially leveling the playing field for businesses and developers around the world. So, we've covered a lot of ground, but the real question is, what's next? What does the future hold for Tencent's T1 and the future of AI as a whole? Well, for starters, we can expect to see T1 integrated into a wide range of Tencent's own products and services. Imagine WeChat with even more advanced chatbots, personalized recommendations, and real-time translation capabilities. But the potential applications go way beyond Tencent's ecosystem. We're talking about AI-powered research and development in fields like pharmaceuticals, medicine, and material science. Imagine using T1 to accelerate drug discovery, design life-saving treatments, or even create entirely new materials with properties we never thought possible. Then there's the world of natural language processing. T1's ability to understand and generate human-like text could revolutionize the way we interact with computers. We're talking about AI assistants that can actually understand your needs, chatbots that can hold meaningful conversations, and real-time translation tools that can break down language barriers. T1 has the potential to transform industries with AI-powered automation, predictive analytics, and decision-making tools. The future of AI is looking brighter than ever, and Tencent is leading the charge with T1. So, there you have it. Tencent's T1 is proving that China isn't just competing in the AI race, it's leading in critical areas. With its faster speed, better efficiency, and strong benchmarks, T1 is a serious competitor to OpenAI and DeepSeek. The AI race is heating up and Tencent is making sure it's ahead. What do you think? Will Tencent's T1 become the dominant AI model? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Make sure to like and subscribe for more AI updates.
Love exploring the world of technology and AI? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to NeoTech-Lens for more insightful and exciting content. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest tech and AI innovations. Your support fuels our journey into the future of technology.